Good afternoon. My name is Tim Davis. I'm the mayor of the city of Temple. I'm here with city manager Bryn Myers. We would like to take a couple of minutes to discuss with you the city's actions regarding the coronavirus or COVID 19. The city of Temple has been very purposeful in its response to COVID 19. The city has followed Bell County's lead in this role as the regional health district. County Judge David Blackburn announced this afternoon that Bell County will enter into Stage 3 of COVID 19 prevention at midnight tonight. So, what does this mean for you? Number one, inside dining at restaurants will be discontinued, but curbside delivery is still available from those establishments that choose to offer that service. Also, any bars will be closed. Third, indoor recreation facilities will be closed, including gyms, health clubs, indoor amusement facilities, including bowling alleys, pool halls, and movie theaters. So please, residents, continue to follow all procedures that were implemented in stages 1 and 2, which include washing your hands frequently, don't touch your face with your hands, stay at home if you are sick, and if you have been in contact with other people that are sick, and please maintain social distancing of at least 6 feet from others, and do not travel to locations where there is active community spread of COVID 19. We want you to know that your city government is working tirelessly to ensure all essential operations continue during this time. I would like to introduce City Manager Bryn Myers to talk to you about the city's response and what it means for city facilities and services. Ms. Myers.
Thank you, Mayor. As Mayor mentioned, my name is Bryn Myers. I'm the city manager here for the city of Temple. I want to take just a few minutes to update you on some operational adjustments that will be happening at city facilities and with city services over the next few days as we respond to and follow the guidance of our local health officials. So the city will be transitioning most of our services to online or over the phone or by appointment only provision so that we are able to maintain and comply with the social distancing recommendations from the CDC and from our local health officials. So beginning tomorrow morning, we will be closing city facilities to public walk-in traffic and really relying on service provision through online portals, over the phone, and by scheduling appointments. So this will apply to City Hall, to the utility business office, to municipal court, to the Parks Administration building, and all other city facilities. The city will be closing recreation centers, so our Salmon's Community Center, Salmon's Indoor Pool, Wilson Recreation Center, as well as the Summit will be closed beginning tomorrow. We will be canceling all events and facility rentals at our city-owned facilities, including the Mayborn Center and the Gober Party House, and all other city facilities as well. All of our outdoor parks, as well as the Salmon's Golf Course, will remain open, but the park's restroom facilities will be closed. All city recreation classes and leagues will be canceled. Organized sports teams will not be able to use city-owned fields in compliance with large gathering restrictions, but the fields will be available for individual citizen use. The Temple Public Library will still be offering books and other materials for checkout, but we will be doing so through curbside delivery services. Residents are asked to call ahead and make online reservations for their requested materials. Bloomin' Temple will be canceled. Bloomin' Temple was scheduled for the last weekend in April, so Bloomin' Temple will be canceled. We will be moving our scheduled police chief community open house next week to a virtual setting, and we will be providing more details as they're available on how you can participate. The City Council workshop and meeting, which is scheduled for tomorrow, Thursday, March 19th, will still take place, but city staff is implementing social distancing guidelines to make sure that we're able to hold that meeting safely. All of our essential emergency response services, including police, fire, solid waste collection, those services will all continue to operate without interruption. Again, our priority is the safety of our citizens and our employees, and making sure that we are able to continue to deliver essential services to our community. And we're making these adjustments to make sure that we're in compliance with our local, the recommendations of our local health officials, and keeping our community employees safe. Thank you.
So, what are the best things that you can do now? Number one, don't panic. Supply lines are open to our grocery stores and gas stations. We can get what we need. With that in mind, please don't hoard supplies. Get what you need for a week or so at a time, but leave supplies for the next person or family. And lastly, check on your neighbor. Most likely you know who in your neighborhood might need help. Please be willing to give them a hand. We're working closely with the county and all of our neighboring city jurisdictions to make sure that efforts are coordinated together to minimize transmission of the virus as best we can across Bell County. If the public follows the recommendations of the county, state, and federal health officials, we can work together to protect our seniors and other vulnerable members of our community. We are in unprecedented times. This is a great opportunity for you to demonstrate compassion, kindness, and patience with each other. Thank you for your time, and please be sure and pass this message along.